Go. What's going on, guys? This is Axiom Tech here. This is going to be a quick unboxing of an Xbox One charging stand. So, I got a steak knife over here. Get that into there, get off these tabs. Maybe. Go. Got one. Now let's rip up the box on this one. Got two. Maybe. There we go. Got three. Open this baby end up. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Nothing left in the box. Put that right on over there. Okay. Don't need the knife anymore, I don't think. Instructions. Don't need those. This cable looks to be a charging cable for the dock. Here's the stand itself. And then I got this for the white controller, so it'll match with white. And here is the battery itself. This you won't see because this will go not like that. This will go into there like that. So when you push it on the stand, it will charge. All it does is that won't be charging, and then when you push it down, it will be charging. Today I'm unboxing an Xbox One white controller. This I will be using specifically for my computer via Bluetooth. So let me undo this. How does this open up now? How in the world? Ah. There we go. Okay. There's the controller itself. Seems to be working fine. Perfect. And comes with a set of batteries. Nothing better than that. Okay, let's see what's underneath here. It's just a manual and stuff like that. So anything underneath here? Nope. Alright. That is literally a super quick unboxing of a white Xbox One controller. I will be using this for the PC with Bluetooth. Yeah, there we go. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to install the battery pack onto the controller. So on the back side here, you want to push this up. Get rid of that. If you have batteries in here, get those out. Then you want to take this battery pack right here. This side right here has the prongs. This side is blank. You want to put these prongs towards this side over here. That side with that black thing in the middle. Nothing on this side. So take those prongs. Prongs go in first. Then give it a lot of force and it pops in. Make sure it's seated all the way. Once you do that, you want to grab the cover here. Cover goes on top. Cover I found to be is a little bit hard to get it lined up. But once you get it lined up, you want to make sure up here is lined up and back here. So make sure you have pressure on both of them. Push that down, push this down, and push forward. And that's it. It's on. Okay, now it's time to get this charged up for its very first use. Since it's not a lithium battery, I would charge it all the way up for its first use. So grab this cable here. Since I don't have a nearby power plug, I'm going to use my power brick here. It's my Anker 20,000 milliamp battery. Okay, take that. Take this micro USB. Go right on back here, so like this. If I get it in there all the way. There we go. Okay, once you get that done, grab your controller, set the controller down, seems to align perfectly, and all you have to do is simply push it down. And that's it, it's charging. Just like that. As you can see, so I can kind of flip it up for you guys here. Oh, fell off, there we go. There's a red light there, which means it is charging. So when you are all done charging, all you do is push it, you can pick it up. Mainly the push mechanism there is just for charge it till it's 100%. Once it's 100%, you let it go. And you just let it sit there until you're ready to use it. But ideally, you would just keep it charging all the time and pick it up, and when you're done, put it back. Alright, so that's been a really quick unboxing and overview of both of these products. So if you guys want to hit the thumbs up below, that'd be awesome. And subscribe, and peace out.